Most people think a business bank is just a place to move money in and money out. But after 5 years of using Mercury and testing Novo, Brex, Relay, Row, and even Ramp's checking and savings accounts, I've realized that the right bank can actually make your business more efficient. So in this video, I'll show you why Mercury is the only bank that we've stuck with long term, where it saves us time, and how it compares to other options. But before we get into why we chose Mercury, there's one question we have to clear up first. Is Mercury actually a bank? Not exactly, at least not yet. Right now, Mercury's the software layer that you use while your money's held at FDIC-insured partner banks. And the nice thing about that setup is that Mercury spreads your money across a network of partner banks. So you can get up to $5 million in FDIC coverage instead of the usual $250K at a single bank. They've also applied for a national bank charter and federal deposit insurance, which matters because most fintech companies in this space are just a software layer on top of a bank. What this means is Mercury is trying to become a bank itself while keeping the modern product experience intact, which could be a pretty major shift, not just for the product, but for what the whole banking category ends up looking like. The main point is your money is safe, and Mercury's free to use. If you use the link down in the description, you'll also get a $250 sign-up bonus when you deposit $5K within your first 90 days. In the 5+ years that we've used Mercury, we haven't seen a single unexpected fee, which is more than we can say about a traditional bank. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about the one thing that surprised me about Mercury that I never see mentioned in reviews. Most business banks are just painful to use. Just logging in feels like entering a marathon. You need some obscure username, password, a security code, confirmation email, and then your firstborn's favorite color, all just to get access. It feels like you're trying to break into Fort Knox every single time. Once you're in, nothing feels easy. Pages load slowly, the most basic tasks take too many clicks, and even sending a simple payment somehow turns into the most clunky and frustrating experience possible.
It's just broken. It's broken. It's like a piece of crap.
With Mercury, that friction just isn't there. You log in and everything loads instantly. All your accounts are right there, and whatever you need is a click or two away, exactly where you'd expect it to be. Sending a payment takes seconds, and you can even use Command K to jump straight into anything. It just feels like a modern app, not a bank. Second, Mercury helps us organize our money in a way that removes a lot of stress. When all your money is sitting in one account, it's hard to know what's actually available to spend. With Mercury, you can automatically split funds into taxes, payroll, and savings accounts, so you never have to guess. You always know what's available. For example, you can route 20% of incoming revenue to taxes, 30% to payroll, 15% to marketing, and leave the rest in your operating account or move it into savings. Our setup is pretty simple. We keep most of our excess cash in our treasury account, and then using their target balance feature, on the 1st and 15th of every month, it automatically transfers what we need for payroll into our operating account. We set it up once, and after that, it runs on its own, so payroll is fully automated. Third, Mercury takes a lot of admin work out of paying contractors and getting paid. If you work with contractors, this is probably familiar. Someone sends you an invoice and you go and pay it, and then the payment details are missing, so now you have to follow up. Then, a few months later, when tax season rolls around, you now need their W-9, so here you are chasing that person again. Mercury cuts out that back and forth entirely. Mercury will give you an email address where contractors can send their invoices. And when invoices are sent, then Mercury will automatically scrape them. And if any payment details are missing, you can just request them by clicking one button. Mercury also automatically collects W-9s for you, so by tax season, everything's there. Mercury even lets you file your 1099s right from your dashboard. Now, we talked about paying people, but what about getting paid? The beautiful thing about Mercury is it lets you do both within the tool. You can create and send invoices right inside of Mercury. And because it all lives in the same place that we're already using to pay people, it's easier to stay on top of unpaid invoices and follow up when needed. I used to dread sending invoices, which is kind of ridiculous because that's literally how you get paid. But once all of that friction of using two different tools was gone, I actually started enjoying sending them and sending them on time. Now, there's one extra thing that Mercury offers that I didn't expect to care about as much as I do. We loved using Mercury for the business, but our personal bank started feeling horrible in comparison. As prior Simple Bank users, we were begging Mercury to build a personal banking product, and then they actually did. So now we can switch between business and personal under one login, plus all the same money organization and bill pay tools that we liked on the business side now work on the personal side too. As a business owner, paying myself distributions from the same place is just super convenient. Mercury Personal costs $240 a year to use, and we were happily paying that, but now they actually waive that fee if you're doing your business banking with them. And that perk isn't just for account owners. Mercury extends it to eligible employees. So if somebody on your team wants Mercury Personal, the $240 annual fee can be waived for them. Now, before you go and open an account, there are a few cases where Mercury won't be the right fit. First, if your business handles a lot of cash, Mercury is not going to be for you. You can deposit checks, but not cash. And if you're an international founder, you can still use Mercury, but your company needs to be formed and registered in the US, and you need an EIN. But there are some restricted countries, so it's worth checking on that before you apply. But if none of that applies and most of your business payments are made through Stripe, ACH, or wires, then that's exactly who Mercury was built for. Opening the account is fast, it's all online, and most people get through the application in under 10 minutes. And remember, if you use the link in the description, you'll get $250 if you deposit $5K within the first 90 days. And now if you're wondering how Mercury stacks up against the alternatives, we've spent a lot of time comparing them, so here's what we found. By the way, you can find full deep dives and side-by-side comparisons on our website. I'll link to those in the description as well. Relay is really built for small businesses who follow the profit-first way of managing money, where everything is split into separate accounts so you always know what's set aside. Its focus is more on helping business owners who have typically struggled with cash flow, especially those who have never had money set aside for taxes. So Relay gives you a bit more guidance when it comes to managing your money. All that being said, Mercury gives you the same tools like multiple accounts and automations, so you get everything that Relay does, but with a better user experience. Then there's Novo, which a lot of people consider early on. We actually used it ourselves for about a year before we switched to Mercury. Novo's fine if you're a freelancer, consultant, or a very small business if you just want something super basic. But if you plan on making more than $150K in your business, you're likely going to outgrow it. While it does have some basic invoicing and money allocation features, they're really nowhere near as good as Mercury. For example, you don't get any of the contractor payment workflow features, and you don't get anywhere near the same level of control when it comes to moving your money into multiple accounts or auto-transferring percentages of your revenue. That's why it made more sense for us to move to Mercury, and we're really glad we did because soon after, our business started scaling, and we needed a lot more features that Mercury has. Switching banks is a headache, so don't do what we did and just use Mercury from the start. Row is a bit different. It's really built for funded startups with finance teams where you have multiple people approving payments and more complex controls. In other words, for small businesses, Row is totally overkill. And even for startups, we way prefer Mercury because it does most of what Row does, just in a way that feels simpler and cleaner. And don't even get us started on Brex. We've used Brex before, and it always felt like an expense management platform first, with banking bolted on, so the banking experience just never felt as deep or focused as Mercury. And then they randomly shut down our account with no explanation. I guess we just weren't startup enough for them, which honestly feels pretty insane. Now they're part of Capital One, which to us usually means a shift towards more stability and integrating Brex with Capital One rather than making the product experience better. And most people we know who were on Brex either have already switched away or they're planning to in the near future. So now that you have your banking solved, there's one other piece you need. You need a tool to help you track how your team spends money. And if you want to see how we set that up alongside Mercury, watch this video next.